Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The title says it all. How to transfer TRX from Coinbase Wallet to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding TRX, which is the native cryptocurrency of the Tron blockchain, and you want to move it over to your Revolut account for easier management or spending, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as with any crypto transfer, always double-check details to avoid fees or delays. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase Wallet account with TRX in it, a linked Revolut account that supports cryptocurrencies. Remember, by 2025, Revolut has expanded its crypto features significantly, and some basic knowledge of your wallet addresses. Also, keep an eye on current network fees, as TRX transactions typically use the Tron network. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in securely. Navigate to your TRX holdings in the Assets section. Once you're there, select the Send or Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, so head over to your Revolut app. In Revolut, go to the Crypto section and find your TRX wallet address. Copy that address carefully. Double-check for any typos because that's crucial. Paste it back into Coinbase. Specify the amount of TRX you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including fees. Hit Confirm, and wait for the network to process it. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Now, for a smooth transfer, always use the Tron network for TRX. Don't mix it up with other chains. If you encounter any issues, like a pending transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for TRX to track its status. Oh, and pro tip. Transfer a small test amount first to ensure everything works. Once it's done, you'll see the TRX in your Revolut account. That's it, you've successfully transferred your assets. This method keeps your funds secure and accessible. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge. See you in the next one.